Hak jingle Myntri Rangbah but Myntri jo u shakashinang Mukroh ka arpalai trek mentau badai ki Sengbhalang beper po kalama jo ka save new trap mission kila pren sange halenti but Pdiang ye ki de Slipar kejat kanigakin hon kalakin tho but pertapan ram jor ya ka sarkar megalaya but kum juru ye ki pulit Assam Habai ikrar baki Myntri Rangbah la pachai maka ai kan le ekabdar kam kini ki Sengbhalang kila dawa maka sarkar Assam kade ban IT ya kini ki purit ki berakti ha kabasiat yap ikini ki sangut ki brio ha ka shirang Mukroh kila dawa ru maka sarkar jala kade ban pen khlain ya kajing pahara ha ki thain khapon na ka benda ka shongsuk shongsan jong ki brio ki basa ha ki tu ki thain kala dawa ru maka sarkar kade ban pen kiu ya kajing ai cherap da ka san lak tingka ka san phulak tingka Chaki logi yang kibla do yang kimen sembrio.
So exactly, what are the issues? You can tell us. We just want justice. Yeah, exactly. So number one, the people have been suspended. Those officers, all the officers have been suspended. Then after that, CBI, NIA inquiry, as per the terms. Because NIA is more on counter-terrorism. So as per the situation, CBI, NIA, I think even government of Assam has agreed to it. I'm going tomorrow to meet Home Minister. The CBI inquiry will be done. From our side, all government programs, everything has been stopped to show respect to the family members. So we have put everything. What else is there that you would like to mention?
Two more, sir, that we would like to mention. Firstly, since the incident is happening in Mukroh, we would like to see either today or by tomorrow, those officers should be handled in Mukroh for investigation.
See, the investigation has started. So we have put an SIT, so there's a process for it. So the process will take place. The process will be on.
They have to be, because
so they have been suspended, as I said, and the investigation is on. So investigation is on.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.